to Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. In this video, we're going to be doing an in-depth product demonstration on the brand new PR-761 lift chair by Golden. This chair is called the EZ Sleeper. It comes in one size, and it's a great chair for throughout the day comfort or sleeping in at the nighttime due to the abundance of features that they have put in it. So let's go ahead and begin this demonstration and show you exactly what this chair can do. So the key thing about the EZ Sleeper that makes it different from any other Golden chair is it has the twilight, which is the zero gravity position, where it also tilts the entire base of the chair. But on top of that, it adds a power headrest and a power lumbar for more support and maximum comfort, whether you're sleeping in it or just lounging in it throughout the day. So to go ahead and go through it, right now I'm going into the twilight position. So what this does to the chair is it begins tilting it, and it brings the base of the chair up and the back at a tilted angle. From here, what we can do is we can bring the feet up, and then we can begin reclining the user further backwards. Once we do that, this is where we can do our power headrest, where we bring the headrest forward or back, and the power lumbar here, which we'll get some close-up shots of, but the power lumbar here where it pops it in and out for maximum comfort for people that need back support. All around, it's a great chair and can do multiple positions. So I'll go ahead and show some close-ups and some other positions that it could go into. Some close-ups of it. So the first thing I want to go over is that this is a lift chair. So at the top is our rise button. So it's going to begin lifting the chair up to help a person stand. And you could stop it at any point or let it take you all the way until it stops at an angle to help you get in and out of this chair. From there, for users that don't want to use the twilight function, just want to use it as a normal lounger or normal lift chair, you could still do that just the same. It's an infinite position chair, so it will recline backwards if you just continue holding recline. Users then have an option whether they want to do their feet separate or their back separate. And then from here, you have the option of controlling that power headrest or the power lumbar to pop that section in and out as well. It's a very nice chair, very multiple positions you can get yourself into with this, so it's customizable all throughout. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate is all the various positions with me inside so people can get a visual of how it exactly looks. I myself am about 5'10", 180 pounds, so you could see I fit into this chair quite nicely. My feet still touch the floor, the depth is not a problem for me, and my head is not too far over the back support here. So I'm going to start by just reclining myself back. From here, I can either just go into a full recline, where it's going to stop here. I could lower my back more if I'm trying to go into a zero gravity position, just like this. From here, these are where a standard Golden lift chair would stop. So if you have any swelling, this is a great position to reduce any swelling in the legs. But they added twilight, so now what people can also do is they can raise their legs even higher, so that way it brings your center of gravity down and the swelling will begin reducing as well. This is also a very comfortable position. From here now, the benefits of the sleeper, I can pop that headrest out or in, depending on if I'm watching TV or just want to sleep. I have my lumbar here, so if I need extra back support, it's going to pop up here. It's raising me up ever so slightly and then back down. And then finally, what I can go ahead and do is if I want to get up and out of this chair, I just hold the rise button. It's one button. It's going to bring us all the way back down till my feet touch the floor. That's going to slowly raise me up. Once I'm up, and I'm just going to let it stop. I could go ahead and put this in the side pocket here and then stand. Thank you guys for tuning in to this in-depth demonstration of the EZ Sleeper Recliner from Golden Technologies. My name is Kevin, and our company is Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. We're located at 4840 Van Nuys Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. We also keep this chair on display for customers that want to come and take a look at it. And we encourage customers to give us a call or visit our website. Our phone number is 818-981-9906, and our website is www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Any questions, just feel free to call us.